Hello everyone, my name is Tony Tanzi. I am the Infrastructure and Firewall Practice Lead for Com Solutions Company. In this Palo Alto Tech Tip video, I'd like to introduce you to two new features that are part of PAN-OS 6.0. And those are rule numbering, which has come back to the firewall, and tag coloring, which gives us some instant visibility while looking at policy to quickly identify rules that match a certain criteria. So let's take a peek at this. So you'll see here in the policy screen, I have a couple policies written here, and I have tags assigned to them. So we've always had the ability to use the tags to be able to search the rule base for certain types of policies. So I can do a search in here for internet access and quickly just pull up the two policies that match that criteria or match that tag. So if I have a lot of policies in my rule base, I can quickly use the tag field to search for certain types of policies. This could be internet access, it could be web server access, could be email, whatever the tag means and is meaningful to you can be configured to be able to search through the rule base. So we've always had that ability, but now in 6.0, we have a new feature by being able to now color these tags so that we can quickly get a look at and pull out rules that may match a certain tag criteria. And the way we do that is when we add a policy. So if I was to add another policy here, when I have my tag field here, I can type in something like email access and have this in my policy, and just for example's sake, we'll use any and any for our source and destination. And our applications any, we'll leave everything else default here. And we'll call this email policy. And maybe under here, we'll make this, we'll add SMTP under here for the application that we're going to allow. So that's our policy, and you'll see here that we have a tag of email access, but it is not yet colored. So the way we go to and color this specific tag is by going to the Objects tab, and under the Tags field here, you see your tags. You can add them directly in here and then select a color, or once you've already configured them in policy, you can go back in now and select the color that you want for this specific tag, and then we'll have it show up in our security policy. So now we can look through and see different colors for the different types of tag that we're using. Maybe deny is going to be a red, like a stop sign, for all the deny policies. So that's one of the new features in 6.0, being able to color the tags in your security policy. One of the other features now is also that has come back is rule numbering. So you'll see here that all the rules have a number. Previous to this, when we configured a policy, it would just have a rule name. So now when we add it, it automatically will be assigned a rule number for us. So we can use this when referencing rules and policy. If we need someone to take a look at a policy, we can say, hey, check out rule number 50 or rule number 4. I think that's the one that's blocking it. And we can use that for documentation as well. So two new features, being able to color your tags, and rule numbering is now back in 6.0 as well. Hopefully this tech tip was helpful and handy. Again, my name is Tony Tanzi, Infrastructure and Firewall Practice Lead for Com Solutions Company. Please visit www.comsolutions.com for all your networking needs. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.